Hello, what's up, traders? What a day.
Yeah.
After yesterday's mild cool down had us nursing those fresh highs, today flipped to full-on carnage.
It really did.
Bears unloaded on monster volume, cratering the tape and leaving support trend lines, well, in the dust, while TLT bull flagged its way higher like it owns the joint. October's wasting no time channeling its inner horror flick, you know?
Definitely feels like October.
And with shutdown shadows lengthening, we've got prime setups to unpack. You're locked into the stock market summary series.
That's right.
And just remember, none of this is buying or selling advice. We're just here to provide market commentary, but nothing we say here is financial advice. Hopefully you guys know that by now, but gotta say it anyway.
Always gotta say it.
Okay, let's get into it. Today was defined by just unambiguous seller pressure, confirming massive distribution.
Clear distribution day.
Our mission is zeroing in on those key technical inversions that clearly define the damage and, well, explain the institutional flight from risk.
Yep, let's break it down. So the breather ended violently. We saw broad market carnage on massive volume. I mean, a clear shift in institutional positioning.
Absolutely massive.
The S&P 500 SPY dropped 2.7%. The NASDAQ 100 QQQ was hammered down 3.47%.
Oof, tech led the way down.
And even the Dow dropped nearly 2%. It was just swift.
It was. And the technical implication of those moves is critical,
Yeah.
right? SPY closed decisively on the session lows. That wasn't just a breakdown. It ended the short-term uptrend,
Okay.
snapping both the upward sloping support and critically that 20-day moving average.
Yeah, 20-day gone.
Gone. And for the small caps, IWM slid, 2.99%, right back below that key $245 pivot.
Back below 245.
Look at tech, XLK, leading the bloodbath with a 4.07% drop. That tells us the growth optimism has just been, well, decimated today.
Decimated. But amid all that red, the defensive plays shone, didn't they? Consumer staples, XLP, managed to eke out a small gain, textbook safe haven play.
Classic flight to safety there.
And speaking of inversions, the bond market is screaming too. TLT, the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF.
Yeah, TLT was strong.
Launched higher on big volume, following that classic bullish continuation pattern, that flag we mentioned.
Nailed it. That bull flag resolved perfectly. Big volume confirmation. Bonds acting as the direct counter trade right now.
Exactly.
And we're seeing pattern confirmation everywhere. The energy sector, XLE, that dropped almost 3% today.
Right.
Confirmed the death hook setup we flagged right after breaking its previous support. And, you know, if you are adhering to strict risk management and using stop losses,
Like we always talk about.
right, like we teach in our mentorship program, you protected capital on a distribution day like this. That's crucial.
Absolutely crucial. Moving to the macro context, then. The government shutdown is now dragging into day 10.
Day 10.
Which means we are firmly in a data fog, right? We're missing those essential Labor Department reports.
Yeah, no jobs data, nothing.
Which usually give us market clarity.
Exactly. And the lack of reliable data just cranks up the volume on chart reads. Traders have to rely on technicals more because the economic indicators are missing.
Makes sense.
And you are hearing those whispers of broader shutdown drags like that $15 billion weekly GDP hit we noted last week, starting to echo louder across the financial news. People are noticing.
Yeah, the longer it goes. Okay, the pain parade wasn't just limited to equities. Crypto joined in.
Yep, Bitcoin felt it too.
Bitcoin plunging 4% to test its 20-day simple moving average. We'll be watching if that crucial MA holds or if the selling pressure, cracks lower.
Definitely a key level to watch there. But contrasting that, look at metals.
Oh, yeah.
Gold, GLD, was up 1.01%, and silver, SLV, climbed 1.61%.
Okay, so strength there.
That is classic flight to safety action against the chaos, confirming they are acting as true hedges when the equity market tanks like this.
Interesting contrast. Okay, as always, guys, if you've got a stock you're watching or a question about the markets, drop it in the comments. We might cover it in an upcoming episode.
Hey, let us know.
And by the way, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate these market summaries, do us a big favor and hit that like button. It's totally free and helps us out in a big way.
Helps a lot.
And click subscribe, too, so you don't miss a beat. You can always unsubscribe later. Okay.
So to connect these threads then, today's confirmed XLE death hook, that TLT triangle breakout we saw, and Bitcoin's MA test.
Right.
These setups mirror the successful pattern recognition we applied to names like OSCR cups and MRA coils recently. It's about the patterns.
Seeing the patterns play out.
Pattern recognition coupled with volume, That's the true edge.
It really is.
Yeah.
And Grok Trade's mentorship program focuses entirely on recognizing these validated patterns, confirming them with volume, and setting those crucial risk caps.
Turning days like this where fear reigns into an actionable edge, that's how you forge the required trading instinct, right?
That's the goal. Building that instinct, that confidence, even on red days.
Yeah.
Grok Trade is calling today a wake-up slap. It shredded short-term supports across the board. The fundamental shift today was, undeniable.
Undeniable. So the final question for you, our listener, what is your read on Monday's bounce potential?
Yeah, what do you think?
Are we seeing just a temporary shakeout or maybe the start of a deeper correction? Let us know. Have a great weekend. Stay safe.
Stay safe out there.
And tune in next week for continued market coverage and dissection of the developments we've mentioned.